Club who have organized this wonderful program. The architect behind this program, past multiple council chair like Srishanti Garu, and today's chief guest for this program, GAT area leader, my good friend like Upendra Garu, and inaugural officer, my governor like Vakkalgada Bhaskara Garu, another wonderful service motto, past district governors like Durga Malleswara Garu and like Vijayavati Garu, and today's main speaker like Gampa Nageswara Garu, a good motivator, a psychologist, internationally known motivational speaker, my good friend like Gampa Nageswara Garu, respected faculty members, principal and committee chairperson like Pichi Garu, and my dear future technocrats, administrators, a very happy evening all of you. Happy evening all of you. Are you happy? Are you happy? Will you be happy? The purpose of life is to be happy. The purpose of life is to be happy. Always, on all occasions, at all time. That's why I wish you happy evening. With that motto, with that purpose. Once again, I'm wishing you happy evening. So when you want to be happy, you must be a successful person. Can anybody tell me what is success? Can anybody tell me what do you mean by the word success? Achievement, very good, beautiful answer. Progressive realization of worthy goals is known as success. So you have to set a worthy goal in your mind. Once you set a goal, you should find out the ways, strategies, adaptation methods to achieve what you want in your life. That we call it as mantra. Mantra is a method. Today we will take it mantra as a method, as a strategy or ways to achieve your success or to achieve your goal. In order to achieve your success, you have to achieve your goal. Fine. And so to achieve your goal, what are those mantras? To achieve success, what are those mantras? The first mantra is having a belief in your capability, what we call it as self-confidence. Believe that you can do wonders. Believe that you can do miracles. Believe that you are not inferior to anybody. Believe that you have unlimited power of thinking. Believe that you are not inferior to anybody. Such type of confidence you should have, what we call it as self-confidence. The first mantra is self-confidence. Our Gampa sir will explain more and more. I am just telling you 4 points only, 4 mantras only to achieve success. First mantra is self-confidence. And when I look at your blooming faces, I recollect a sloka which I learnt in my lower classes. That is, Amantram Aksharam Nasti, Nasti Moolam Anaushadam, Ayogyaha Purusho Nasti, Yojakas Tatra Durlabha. Amantram Aksharam Nasti. You will not find any letter in the alphabet that doesn't have a value in making mantra. Every letter is useful in making mantra. In a similar way, you will not find any flowering plant in the nature that doesn't have a medicinal value. Every plant has medicinal value. You may not be knowing, I may not be knowing. Like that, Ayogyaha Purusho Nasti. You will not find any student who is incapable of doing wonderful things. Every student can do miracles. Every student can do wonders. But the only thing is, Yojakas Tatra Durlabha. To identify the intelligence you have and to utilize it in a way it is supposed to be utilized is a difficult task. Once you realize that you are intelligent, once you feel that you are intelligent, nobody can stop your success. And you will never find the word impossible in your dictionary. And you will make the word impossible. You will read the word impossible as I am possible. Everything is possible for me. Believe that you have unlimited power of thinking and you can get what you want in your life. That is first mantra. Second mantra is think always in positive way. Think always in a positive way. My dear young children, please remember, a man is what his mind is. A mind is what he thinks. When a man thinks positively, he can integrate massive amounts of information effortlessly into his brain. So that's why always think in a positive way. Never think in a negative way. Always think, I can get what I want in my life.